Hey all, Dan here again, Periodic Audio. Yeah, we just released a cool little silicon deck. You need to try and get one yourself because they're really awesome. But today we're going to continue talking about the physics of sound. And before we've covered SPL, which is sound pressure level, we covered the different curves of SPL, what they are, like A weighting, C weighting, all those kind of things like that. So we've covered those. Today I want to talk about what pressure really is. A lot of people talk about, oh, we got pressure, we got sound pressure, things like that. Do you really understand what it is? So this can be kind of a short one because it's covering basically a fundamental thing of physics. But I thought it was valuable to cover, so as we go forward, you can always kind of think about, well, this is what pressure really is. So through the magic of the switch button, boom, here's my board. So today, as you can see, we're talking about the physics of sound, and we're talking about pressure. Now, pressure is measured in two units usually, okay? The first one is PSI. You'll see that on tires and, your bike tire, your car tire, things like that. Basketballs are inflated to a certain amount, same with footballs. And it stands for pounds per square inch, PSI. So it's pounds per square inch. It's some sort of weight over a given area. That's a PSI. The other way you'll see a lot, especially in Europe and things like that, and what we use in acoustics a lot, you'll see this a lot. You'll see micropascals, which is a millionth of a Pascal, or you'll see pascals. We use pascals, and that's not just an old programming language that I learned back in the 80s because, well, I'm old. But Pascal is basically, it's a ratio. It's 1 Newton, and Newton is a force per square meter. So again, we got this amount of force over a certain area. And for those that are in not, European based, or, you don't quite understand what Newton is 1 kilogram per meter percent squared. And it's about 2.2 pounds, about 0.22 pounds. So you can figure there's close to about 5 pounds per Newton, about 4.8 really, things like that. So that's what it is. So you'll see pressure measured in pounds per square inch, or pascals, which is newtons per square meter. So all pressure is this. It's force over an area. Force over an area. Force over an area. That's what pressure is. Pascals, PSI. So now we understand that. What that means is I've got this pressure wave coming in. I've got this wave of force in the air. You think about, like, you've been in the ocean, you've been in a pool, and a wave hits you. It pushes on you. It's got pressure. You have the pressure, it comes in and it hits your eardrum. That's the area. So we've got this force hitting this. That creates a pressure. That's all pressure is. So whenever you hear about pressure, it's like, oh, we're talking about PSI. It's nothing crazy. We're talking about, pressure and sound pressure level. It's nothing crazy. All it is just we're putting force over a unit area. The smaller the area with the same amount of force, the higher the pressure, right? Same area, less force means less pressure. That's all there is to it. It is just force per unit area. So I hope that helps. We'll cover a few more in-depth articles later. But there you go. Dan Wiggins, Periodic Audio. Check our products out. We'll see you later. Bye.